That is 0. It's an angle with a measure of 0 degrees. Okay, it's completely closed. The picture of that would look like a ray with another ray right on top of it. That is less than 90 degrees. Acute angle. It could be a lot of different measures, but just know that it's something small. Okay, notice how you have two rays again. What do we call this point right here where the rays, which is going to look like an L? Now, my L is not perfect, but to convey that it is 90 degrees, I put a little box right here in the corner. That tells you obtuse angles are between 90 and 180, so greater than 90, but less than 180. And obtuse angles, they end up looking something like this, depending on their measure. They're open more than 90 degrees. The angle, Mike Nelson, is what? 180. Exactly 108 degrees. And what that ends up looking like, I go ahead and make my first ray, and then if that's my vertex right there, now it's open all the way up, so it ends up looking, that was kind of shabby. It ends up looking like a straight line. So a 0 angle, again to the beginning, that looks like a ray because it's closed. A straight angle looks like a line because it's all the way open. Complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. Two angles that add up to 90 degrees. If this angle right here, is 30 degrees, its complement would be what measure? 60. Good, 60 degrees. Excellent, 60 degrees. Those are complements because they add together to equal 90. The side of that coin is supplementary angles. They add up to 180 degrees. Okay? So now if I have a 30 degree angle, I say its supplement would have to be what adds up to make 180, which would be 150 degrees. Sorry, I just cut you guys out. I apologize for that. Adjacent angles share a side, aka their neighbors, which means they have to be kind of part of one big angle. So, for example, angle 1 and angle 2 here in my picture up there, those are adjacent angles. Folks, a linear pair, you cannot say the word linear without the word line. Okay? So a linear pair, go ahead. They share a side, so they're adjacent, and they add up to 180 degrees. Now the only way for that to happen is for them to be two angles that were formed from a line, hence the name linear pair. Okay, so this is what a linear pair looks like. They have to share a side, therefore they're adjacent, and they have to make up a straight line together, therefore they add up to 180. Last one. Vertical angles are opposite of each other, and they're congruent.